And a bittersweet goodbye to our Canadian crew who will not be traveling with us to Los Angeles.
You guys are amazing, really, really. You completely rallied whenever we needed to speed things up, and you did it with a great attitude, and there's just feels like a family, so I'm going to miss you guys very much, but we'll hopefully run into everybody around the time the movie's done, and we can watch it together.
What Fred said is so true about the morale. I've never been on a set where every day the morale was at such a high level. Everyone just had a great time making this movie. You accepted everything we threw at you with a smile, and we did throw a lot of crazy things at you. We appreciate that. We need Rafi's jacket. So, this is our fourth country. As we're finishing our shoot right now, they're starting to shoot their place in Paris. So, they say it's bitter cold there, but they're getting their work done. So, on behalf of all the producers, the writer, the director, and everyone at the writers, excuse me, and most of all, the people at Disney who gave us
Are paying for this whole Megillah.
right. So I think it's only appropriate that the little girl between us gets to say,
That's a wrap in Spain!
Woo! Rocky's going to draw you $10. Is that 10 euro? Okay.